Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
morning.
So, how is hotels profit and loss statement going on?
Awesome.
Confident with profit and loss statement? Are you all confident with profit and loss statements format and how to make it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll be solving one examination's question of profit and loss statement right now. I want to verify how much you people know and remember about that. Okay. Well, to start with, Chandni, Nizampur, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What are the columns to be made in profit and loss statement?
7.
Which 7 columns? Without saying.
Profit and loss. First is department and particulars. Second one is note number, sales, cost of sales, employee benefits, other expense, and profit and loss.
Correct. Scope is the shortcut you all have to remember. Scope.
Yes, sir.
S stands for sales, C stands for cost of sales. Then scope, but E we write first, that is employees benefit. Then we write O, that is other expenses. And then we have P, that is profit or loss. Okay? Yes, mute yourself. Then Shruti Yadav from Subhanpura.
Yes, sir.
In the beginning, which 5 operating departments will come?
First is rooms, then food and beverages,
Food and beverages,
then swimming pool and spa,
swimming pool and
and
spa,
then game zone,
game zone,
and rental and other services.
rental and other services. Correct. First is room, second is food and beverages, then swimming pool or spa, then game zone, and then rentals and other services. Disha from OP Road, unmute yourself. What is the total of these 5 columns?
Gross, uh, gross operational income,
Very good. Gross operating income. What do we minus from that?
unallocated income, the unallocated expenses, unallocated expenses,
Operating expenses.
ASP,
ASP.
administrative expenses, sales promotion expenses, and property operation and maintenance expenses.
Very good, correct. ASP, 3 unallocated operating expenses we have to minus. A, administrative expenses, S, sales promotion, and P, property operation and maintenance expenses. काव्या, आपने मेरे अकाउंट से साइन इन किया? काव्या,
Yes, sir.
आपने मेरे अकाउंट से साइन इन किया था क्या?
Recording?
नहीं, मेरे अकाउंट से किसी ने साइन इन किया है.
नहीं, मैंने नहीं किया है. मैंने खाली जॉइन मीटिंग किया है.
From your own ID, ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, what we will get is operating profit or loss. Okay. Now, after that, Moksh, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
After
Good morning.
operating profit or loss, good morning. What do we have to minus?
Fixed cost.
Fixed
Uh,
cost.
That is resting deep.
Which all things are covered in that?
Piece. That's hello.
Yes. Your voice is freezing.
Hello.
Yes, Moksh. Please repeat again. Fixed costs.
Rates and taxes, insurance, interest, depreciation and amortization, and a P&L on a sale of assets.
Correct. R stands for rates and taxes. In stands for insurance as well as interest. D, debt depreciation. P stands for profit or loss on sale of asset. What we will get is profit before tax. Then we will minus income tax. What we will get is profit after tax. So all of you remember this format perfectly well now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So one of the examinations questions we will take out. Take out question 36A, everyone. All of you take out question 36A. All of you take out question 36A. Now I'll unmute everyone, but wherever there is noise in the background, you mute yourself. Okay? Or I allow everyone to unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself on your own when I ask you the question. Okay, but wherever there is noise in the background, you mute yourself. Okay? Now, question number 36A. Did you all take it out? Did everyone take out question 36A?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As I said, wherever there is noise in the background, you keep yourself muted, okay? And I have given you the permission to unmute yourself when I ask you a question. So question 36A, prepare a departmental profit and loss statement of Fern Hotels Limited based on the following ledger balances for the year ended 31st March 2019. Wherever there is noise in the background, please mute yourself, okay? Now, first we will do the markings. So, Vishnu Menon from Pratap Nagar. Vishnu Menon from Pratap Nagar.
Yes, sir.
Where will revenue come in which column?
Sir, sales.
All of you write down in brackets sales column. And sales of billiards game, which heading it will come, Vishnu? Vishnu, sales of billiards game will come under which category? Vishnu?
Hello.
Yes, sales of billiards game will come in which category?
Sir, games.
Yes, all of you mark it as G, game zone. Khushbu Patel, Subhanpura, room sales? Rooms, all of you mark it as R. Then Esha Bhatt, Kareli Bagh, beverage sales?
Yes, sir. Food and beverages.
Food and beverages. Sakshi Joshi, Kareli Bagh, sale of food?
Food and beverages.
Food and beverages. Food and beverages. Then Kesha Dave, OP Road, swimming pool or spa sales? Kesha Bhatt, swimming pool or spa sales? Kesha Dave. You are not
SW.
Yes, SW, swimming pool or spa. Then Ayushi Shah, Subhanpura, game zone? G. Dhruvi Pandya, Subhanpura, rental shops? Dhruvi Pandya, Subhanpura, rental shops? Dhruvi Pandya,
Rental and other services.
rental and other services, R and OS. Then Trilok from Pratap Nagar. Trilok, salaries and wages will come in which column?
Employee benefit.
Yes, employees benefit column. In that rooms? Rooms are Sweetie Bharti, Subhanpura, food and beverages,
F&B.
F&B.
F&B. Yash Shrimali, swimming pool or spa? Yash Shrimali,
SW.
SW. Then Muzaffir, Zafir Khan, Mohammad Zafir Khan, game zone,
G. Game zone.
G. Then Devshri Bhatt, administrative staff, Devshri.
Administrative expense.
Administrative expense A. Then Mihir from OP, sales staff, Mihir from OP, sales staff,
Sir, S.
S. Then Janvi Chauhan, Kareli Bagh, property operation and maintenance,
POM.
POM. Then Rahul Chaudhary, Nizampura. Rahul Chaudhary, Nizampura. Rahul Chaudhary, Nizampura. Rahul. Neha from Nizampura.
मैंने वीडियोस नहीं देखी है.
Cost of sales will come in which column, Neha?
सर मैंने वीडियो लेक्चर्स नहीं देखे हैं.
क्यों नहीं देखे अभी तक? 3 lectures are over.
सर मैं बाहर गई थी तो अभी आई हूँ थोड़े दिन पहले, तो अभी बाकी है देखना.
But that is the benefit of online. Wherever you are, you can watch them.
सर गांव में गए थे तो नेट नहीं था वहाँ पे.
Okay. Hemal Joshi, Subhanpura.
Yes, sir.
Cost of sales will come in which column?
Fourth column, cost of sales.
Cost of sales column. Then that food and beverages,
Food and beverages, F and B.
F&B. Then Swastik Shukla, Pratapnagar, Swastik Shukla.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Glassware expenses will come in which category?
Other expenses.
Other expenses. Now I am changing the ink because notes we will be making only for other expenses. In that rooms
Column.
Rooms are and then food and beverages, F&B.
F&B.
Udit from Pratapnagar, advertisement. Udit. Udit from Pratapnagar, advertisement. Udit is not audible. Vipandip from Nizampura. Vipandip from Nizampura. Advertisement. Your voice is not audible, Vipandip. Jenny Patel. Jenny Patel. Kavya, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Am I audible? Am I audible, Kavya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Jenny Patel, unmute yourself. Devangini Kareli Bagh.
Advertisement, sales promotion.
Sales promotion. Then Dharmik Subhanpura. Dharmik Subhanpura. Dharmik. Dharmik from Subhanpura. Janvi Desai. Rebate and discounts on rooms.
R.
Yes, we will minus from rooms revenue. Rebates and discounts, all of you mark it as minus from room sales. Minus from room sales. All of you look at this portion. Okay, formats we discussed it. All of you can look at your pamphlets. Rebates and discount are to be subtracted from the sales revenue of rooms. Okay. Then Sakshi Joshi, Karaliba. Sakshi Joshi, Karaliba. You are not audible, Sakshi. Jenny Patel is not audible. Okay, Krutika Nizampura. Krutika Nizampura.
Yes, sir.
Cash on hand and cash at bank.
Sir, I don't know.
No effect, it will come in balance sheet.
Okay.
Cash is an asset, so it doesn't come in P&L statement. No effect. Okay. Then right side now. Bhakti Rami OP Road. Bhakti Rami OP Road.
Yes, sir.
Room reservation expenses.
Rooms are
R. You only tell me. Chlorine, cancel room here. Chlorine and supplies.
SW.
Swimming pool and spa. All of you cancel room, chlorine and supplies. Only chlorine and supplies. And then linen and laundry expenses.
SW.
No, linen and laundry will come in rooms.
Okay, sir.
Actually, room might be over here. There is a misprinting. Room, linen and laundry expenses. That way. Then Yash from Nizampura. Yash from Nizampura. Kushali Lonankar from Pratapnagar. Kushali from Pratapnagar.
Yes, sir.
Where will guest supplies come?
Other expenses.
Other expenses. Tell me both of them. Swimming pool
SW.
and kitchen fuel.
FNB.
F&B. Then
अरे एग्जाम नहीं आवे.
Janvi Samtani.
Yes, sir.
Operating supplies.
Other expenses.
Other expenses. Kitchen.
F&B.
Swimming pool.
SW.
Game zone.
G.
Yakshangi Patel, Karalibag.
Yes, sir.
Repairs and maintenance.
Other expenses.
Other expenses. Rooms.
R.
Kitchen.
F&B.
F&B. Swimming pool.
SW.
Game zone.
G.
Then Richika Kumar, OP Road.
Yes, sir.
Printing and stationery.
F&B.
Administrative. How come printing and stationery is food and beverage?
Sorry, sir.
Printing and stationery is administrative. Then audit fees.
Okay, sir.
Audit fees.
A.
Administrative. Energy cost.
POM.
Property operation and maintenance. Then Vinita from OP.
Yes, sir.
Fire insurance.
Fixed cost.
Property taxes.
Fixed cost.
Depreciation.
Fixed cost.
Interest on long-term loans.
Fixed cost.
Building.
Balance sheet.
Yes.
Balance sheet. So no
Balance sheet.
outstanding salary.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
And legal charges.
PUM.
Legal charges are administrative.
Administrative expense.
Okay, legal charges are administrative expenses. Then, yes, all of you tell me, where will this profit on sale of asset come? All of you tell me, where will profit on sale of asset come?
Fixed charges.
Fixed charges.
Fixed charges.
And will
Fixed
you minus
Fixed
it off plus it?
Minus.
Minus
Minus.
will become plus.
Plus.
We'll write it as a negative figure, but minus will become plus.
Plus.
Then provision for income tax will come after profit before tax. I give you all 5 minutes. Make this format of profit and loss statement of Pearl Hotels Limited for the year ending 31/3/19. Make the entire format as we have studied and discussed in the beginning. Wherever there is noise in the background, mute your. I have given the permission to unmute yourself, but where there is no noise, they will only unmute themselves. So note 1 will be for other expenses of rooms. Okay, note 1 will be for other expenses of rooms. Are rupees in thousands? They've seen, so even if it's not written in the question, mention rupees in thousands. Because the incomes cannot be 10 rupees. So all of you mention in the question rupees in thousands. Did you all do that? You can unmute and answer it. Did you all do that? Rupees in thousands?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
What will be the first item in other expenses of rooms?
Glassware.
Glassware.
All of you write down glassware 80. Then after glassware,
Rebate and discount. 10.
no, rebates and discount. What did I make you mark?
Reservation
Minus
expense.
1.
I said wherever there is noise in the background, mute yourself. We'll directly minus it from room sales. So rebates and discount won't come here. Did you understand this, everyone?
Yes.
We don't have to
Reservation expense.
directly rooms reservation expenses of 80 rupees.
80.
Reservation expenses 80. Then after reservation expenses,
Lien and laundry 20.
Lean and laundry.
expenses 20. Then after linen and laundry expenses,
Repair and maintenance 50.
Repairs and maintenance.
repairs and
50.
maintenance, 50. Then after repairs and maintenance 50. That's it. Any other item marked as R?
No.
No.
160, 180, 230.
230.
230.
Now second note we will make for food and beverages other expenses. Other expenses of food and beverages, rupees in thousands. Now, what all things are marked as F&B and other expenses?
Glassware,
Glassware 150,
150. Kitchen fuel,
then after glassware we
Kitchen
have
fuel.
directly what we have is kitchen fuel of 350,
350. Yes.
then after kitchen fuel what we
Operating
have
supply,
Operating supplies.
operating supplies 50.
50.
Then after
550.
supplies we
Repairs
have
and maintenance.
repairs and maintenance of 30.
30. 580 total.
Yes, no other item is marked as F&B,
No.
so 580 is the total.
No.
Third note will be for other
Swimming pool and spa.
Spa.
of swimming pool and spa. Now, what all are there in other expenses of swimming pool and spa? Chlorine and supplies directly first.
Price 30.
Chlorine and supplies 30.
Gas supply 150.
Yes, guest supplies 150. Then after guest supplies 150,
Operating supplies.
operating supplies 30.
Operating supplies 30.
Then after operating supplies, repairs and maintenance 40.
Repairs and maintenance 40.
Any other item marked as SW?
No.
So 30, 180, 210, 250.
250.
Then fourth note will be for
Game zone.
other expenses of game zones. Now, what all is marked as G in other expenses? Directly operating supplies of 30. Is it or not?
Yes.
Yes. Repairs and maintenance 30.
Yes.
Operating supplies directly 30. Repairs and maintenance 30.
30. Total 60.
That's it. Any other item marked as G?
No.
No other item is marked as G. So 60 is the total other expenses of game zone. Okay, then R and OS, do we have other expenses? We never have it. Do we have R and OS other expenses?
No.
We don't have it.
No, sir.
Now after that, administrative. How many items are there for administrative? One or more than one?
More than one.
More than one.
More
Three
than
items
one.
are there, so we'll make note for administrative expense also. Note number 5. Administrative. Note number 5. Administrative expenses. First is printing and stationery 60. Then after printing and stationery we have
Audit fees 80.
80.
Legal charges.
And after audit fees, we have
Legal charges.
legal charges of 10.
150.
150.
So total is 150. Then after administrative expenses, how many items do we have in sales promotion, SP? Only one advertisement.
One.
So do we need to make note for sales promotion?
No.
No. How many items for property operation and maintenance?
Only one.
One.
So no other notes will come. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Now let's do fill in the blank. All of you have done the formats, right? So sales. Now what all is the rooms sales?
3,350 sales.
3,350 minus 10. Do you understand this?
10.
3,340.
3,340.
Show this in bracket. 3,350 minus 10 of discount and rebate we have to subtract from sales. So 3,340. Any confusion in this?
No.
All are clear with sales amount in rooms column?
Yes.
Then cost of sales we don't have for rooms. What are employees benefit for rooms?
210.
Salaries and wages 210. Other expenses we get from note number 1.
230.
230.
230.
So 3340 minus 210 minus 230. So 440 if we subtract, is it 2900?
Yes.
Yes.
Profit will be 2900. Okay, I told you how will you get that is? This is column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then how is 7th column obtained? 3 column
Minus 4 by 6.
minus 4, 5, and 6. Now, food and beverages. What is sales of food and beverages? What is sales of food and beverages?
980.
No, 1600 plus 9.
2580.
1600 plus
1600.
2580.
both are sales of food and beverages. Do you all get it? So 2580, show that in bracket.
580.
1600 plus 980. Show that in bracket. Any confusion with this? All are clear with this? Sales, food and beverages. Any doubts on that? Yes or no?
No.
Now food and beverages cost of sales is 830. Do you all find that? Then what are employees benefit of food and beverages?
160.
160. And other expenses are in note 2, 580. So 2580 minus 580, 2000 minus 990. So is it 1010?
Yes.
Then swimming pool and spa. What is sales of swimming pool and spa?
1250.
1250. Just 1 minute. Yeah, 1250. Then do we have any cost of sales? Yes or no?
No.
No. What are employees benefit of swimming pool and spa?
70 rupees.
Salaries and wages are 70. Okay. And note 3 will get other expenses of swimming pool and spa, that is 250.
930.
Yes, 1250 minus 320, 930. Game zone, what is sales of game zone?
680.
No, 690. Billiard games 10 plus this 680. Do you all get this? All of you are
No.
clear with it or not?
Yes.
2 items of game zone are there. Sales of billiard games also and game zone also. So 10 plus 680. 690. Show that in bracket. 10 plus 680. Did you understand this 690, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
Cost of sales are
Sir, yes, sir.
employees benefit of game zone. What are salaries and wages of game zone? 50.
50.
Note 4, we get other expenses of game zone. What are they?
580.
60 क्या 580?
60 lakh.
60. 690 minus 50 minus 60. So 110 if you subtract, is it 580? Okay,
580. देखा?
Talking about profit or loss. Okay. Now rental and other services, what are the sales? 1500.
1,500.
Cost of sales, we don't have. Employees benefit fee, don't have. No other items are there.
Other expenses.
1500 itself is profit. Okay. Now 3, 5, 6, 7, 73, 83, 85, 91, 92, 20, 92, 70. Is it 93, 60?
Yes, sir. Yes.
830,
Yes, sir.
2, 3, 70, 440, 490, 270,
Yes.
1010, 1000,
1120.
120.
1120. Yes.
6920.
59 sports. Eh?
अलग अलग.
58, 68,
6920.
6920.
Do you all get this, everyone? Either you can do 2900 plus 1010 plus 930 plus 580 plus 1500, or you can do 9360 minus 830 minus 490 minus 1120. Both the ways you'll get 6920. Now, unallocated operating expenses onwards, what will the last column represent?
Total.
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 Administrative. What are salaries and wages of administrative?
440.
440.
Employees benefit column 440. Note 5. What are other expenses?
150.
150.
50. 590.
590 total. 440 plus 150, 590. Sales promotion, what are employees benefits, salaries and wages? 230.
230.
And only one item is there, advertisement. 50. So other expenses, 50. 230 plus 50, 280.
280.
No note is there for that. Then repairs and property operation and maintenance, what are salaries and wages?
90.
And other expenses is energy cost.
240.
240.
Energy cost 240 plus 90, 330.
330. 4740.
Now 6980.
Nah, 4740.
6980, from that you'll minus 590, 280 and 330. Okay, 6920 minus
5720.
minus
5720.
5720.
Yes,
5720.
20 is operating profit or loss. Then fixed charges, rents and rates and taxes. Property taxes 55. You all get that? Everyone, yes or no?
Yes.
55. Yes.
Insurance. Fire insurance
25.
25.
25.
Interest 400.
Interest. Interest on long-term loans
400.
400.
Depreciation. Depreciation
600.
600.
600.
100.
and profit or loss on sale of asset is 1,50,000. Now figures in thousands. So if you cancel this thousands, we will write only 150. Okay, 150,000 means, can I say 150,000? Any doubt in that? So we will write only 150 and if we get added,
minus 4490.
these amounts we will minus, but minus this will become plus.
4790.
So basically 5720 you will minus 55 minus 55 minus 400 minus 600 but plus
150.
understand this?
4790.
790.
Correct, 4790. Are you all clear with the effect of profit here?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the rate of income tax?
20%.
So
20%.
958. 958.
4790 into 20%.
958.
Yes.
95.
3832.
3832.
958. If you minus that,
3832.
3832.
fantastic. So this was a good question because even in why good question? Because even in these items we had more than one. And you all have seen that you are making mistake in identifying that, right?
Yes.
So be careful in exams. Such question can come where more than one items of sales are given, more than one items of maybe cost of sales will also be given. So that we can directly add in the format itself. So I hope everyone is confident with P&L statements. So in the next lecture, shall we start with balance sheet?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Balance sheet, I have given you practice of P&L statements, exam questions also. Okay.
Okay.
So in tomorrow's lecture, balance sheets format I will discuss, and as I have given you the technique to make profit and loss statement, watch the video carefully. You'll be able to learn the format of balance sheet also in the video lecture. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo, so let's wind up with today's session.
Chalo.
Bye, sir.
All
Bye,
of
sir.
Bye, sir.
identify
Bye, sir.
scoring
Bye, sir.
compared to others.
अल्लाह
Okay?
सर को बोलने
लेक्चर
तो दो.
अपलोड नहीं हुआ सर. सर आज लेक्चर अपलोड नहीं हुआ.
क्या हुआ?
तो 2 लेक्चर अपलोड नहीं हुए सर.
हाँ अभी हो जाएंगे. 11:30 तक हो जाएंगे. All lectures will be uploaded. Okay. Bye.
आराम से करो बड़ी जल्दी.
Bye.
चलिए मिलते हैं कल.
कल मिलते हैं. कल किसी और से मिलते हैं. हम अगले हफ्ते मिलेंगे.
हाँ सर.